Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Homecoming from the 29th to the 1st of October 2025 on Monday. Zethu grapples with a fairy mix of fairy, guilty and attraction around her feelings for Sfiso, and tension rise between Mankwanyane and Mashabala over Vusi and Nofundo's relationship on Tuesday. No matter how hard she tries, Zethu finds there is no running from the truth. But what if some things are best left unsaid? Nofundo takes a rebellious first step on Wednesday. Zethu grapples with Sfiso's nonchalant attitude post the dinner at his house, but desire takes over. Mashabala's worst nightmare comes true and lines start to get blurred between Mangobo and Ngarake. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.